Versus Real Madrid.
Thanks for the introduction, Peter, and hello viewers.
The fans are providing a noisy and colourful backdrop for this great occasion. No, it's been intercepted. Plays it forward.
Good passing with a lovely little touch.
Nearly! He is strong in the air. Lays it back. Passes it over to the left. Good opportunity to swing it over from the right there.
Instinctive stuff.
Hits one. Oh, so nearly. Millimetres off that was.
But I think the build-up was better than the finish.
Several players are contesting the header. No, it doesn't pick out his man. And he belts it. 0-0. Here with a header. Short pass. 15 minutes into the first half. Here's the opportunity for a ball in to open the score. Here comes the shot. Three targets in the box. The foul was committed. They've got a free kick.
The marking's been tight and so far it's working. The cross from him could be dangerous.
In the air. And he's gone for goal. Goal! A beautiful right-footed effort. Big booing from the opposing fans. They've just gone a goal down, Trevor. They're not going to be too happy about that, are they?
No, and I'm sure they'll be determined to get back level as soon as possible.
There's the whistle. Real Madrid. It's direct. This has been a hard-fought game. Chance for an equaliser if he can cross it in well. And he smacks one. Oh, it's in! What a goal! They're back on even terms.
Well, he is a fantastic sight when he's in full flow. You have to say it was sublime.
The scores are level again. Almost 30 minutes gone. No, it's been cut out. Short pass. A decent ball in might give them the chance to regain the lead. Tries again. Goodness me, that was a close one. That's predictable. Now they go left. Passes it forward.
It was a clever move to intercept the pass. That was a superb interception.
"40 minutes of the first half have been played. They could break the deadlock here with a good ball in.
Good passing with a lovely little touch.
No, not this one. Knocks it through.
It's an impressive one too.
A decent ball in might give them the chance to... It's in! Goal! They're in front for the first time today. So the goal has pleased a huge number of fans in the stadium. Just listen to them. That goal looks as if it might give them a confidence boost. 2-0. It's a foul. Free kick. The shot comes in. He cleared. And that's it for the first half. Now from right to left to right, Real Madrid. They need some penetration. This is exhibition stuff. Pushes it upfield. Knocks it through to the front line. Pushes it forward. A strike! That was predictable. Got the ball again.
They work so well in tandem.
Real Madrid. They keep probing and pulling the back line this way and that. That is sloppy play. And he's got... Put it in! They're level. A lot of fans were waiting for that goal and they have been rewarded. This is turning out to be a cracking game, isn't it, Phil?
Indeed it is, Peter. It's a joy to be here to see it.
Takes the shot. Hefty challenge there. We're into the last 30 minutes of the game.
Good passing with a lovely little touch.
He has unrivaled stamina. Real Madrid. He's only got one waiting in the box. Cleared away. Plays it forward. Short pass. To the right.
That was a superb interception.
Now they go left.
The tight defence has managed to contain the attack.
Took it back quickly. Well-timed challenge. Tremendous pressure there. Pushes it forward. Short pass. The marking has been so tight, there's not a lot of space. And he wants it back. Sends it back to him.
He's got two men in the box.
A fine sliding tackle.
There's no need for them to hurry.
Hits one. Oh, it was so close to the right-hand post there.
I think the build-up was better than the finish.
And he lays it back. Only 5 minutes remaining. Touches it back. Real Madrid. They still can't find a chink in the armour of the defence. Rolls it upfield. The marking's been so tight, there's not a lot of space. It's a load. It's in! Goal! They lead the match once again. Struck it with his right foot. Great goal there, Trevor. A superb run and finish. Here's another look at the goal. Now they need to do something to get back into it. Sends it to the left, to the right. When will they make the decisive move? That's it! That's the final whistle. 2-2. They hold on to win.
I think they dominated the whole game.